When I think of my early life as a chef, I think of the dishes which I can still see vividly. Those dishes that I was taught to make. One of those dishes which really stands out was the Chou farci à l'ancienne, which means a stuffed cabbage in that old-fashioned style. It takes time, it takes patience, it takes focus, where you individual leaves and you slowly reconstruct the cabbage. Layers of cabbage, force meat, cabbage, force meat, cabbage, force meat, cabbage, force meat. And the leaves get smaller and smaller and smaller. In the end, you reconstruct this cabbage. And then you serve it with fresh tomato sauce. But what I've done is I've removed all the meat. I replaced the meat with buttered cabbage, celeriac, and carrots. It's very simple, but we still serve it with a tomato sauce. And what it does have is this enormous presence. It's like presenting a roast chicken, a roast joint in the middle of the table. So, let's take a little butter. Butter in the pan, a little water. Now, we take our cabbage. As you can see, it's been shredded. It's about just less than a centimetre. White pepper. Crystal salt. The reason why I put a little bit of water is just to get it started. Because once it's started, the cabbage will release its own water, so it starts to cook in its own water. When you're stuffing cabbage, always use Savoy, it's better. But if you just want to cook buttered cabbage, Savoy or white cabbage is equally as good. As you can see, it's starting to wilt down. What you can see is the water has almost evaporated away. Once the water's evaporated away, then it becomes buttered cabbage. And then you'll hear that singing of the sizzle. As you can see, I spread it across the pan. Now let's take the cabbage somewhere it's not been taken before. A little double cream. Don't move the pan. Allow the double cream to cook until it's so thick it starts to split. You'll see. Because this becomes the glue. Iron the cabbage with the cream. There's our cabbage. Twist and squeeze. Squeeze 90% of the butter out of our cabbage. There we are. So then take our cabbage. Allow that to cool. Now, we take our muslin. There we are. Our cabbage leaves. What we do with the cabbage leaf is we blanch them in boiling salted water, and then we drain them into ice water, and then we dry them. We remove the core, and then between two cloths, we roll them with a rolling pin. break down all the fibres. So, there we are. A little ground white pepper. Right. The crushed cabbage. The diced carrots, which are being cooked in butter. The diced celeriac, once again cooked in butter. There we have it. And take the cabbage again. Buttered cabbage. We take the carrots. Take some celeriac. Now, some of the heart leaves. Compact it down. And some of the inner heart. There we have it. The last of the cabbage. The salt. Compact it in. So there's our cabbage. So now, what to do? Twist and reshape. It's about reconstruction. Okay, get the string. Twist it. And then so there we have our reconstructed cabbage. Back to the size it was before we started playing with it. But the truth is, in that cabbage, there are 4 cabbages within one. 3 on the inside, 1 on the outside. So there's one more little step before we cook it. It's very simple. Get the cling film. So make a blanket. Place for 1 hour in the water at about 95, 98 degrees Celsius. Don't boil. The cabbage has now been cooking for 1 hour. So let's take that off the stove. Use that as a hot plate. And let's finish the tomato sauce. Okay. Little olive oil. So a little butter. So there we have it. There's our sauce. Check for the seasoning. Tiny bit of pepper. Okay. This is the big moment. Wow. Even at my age, you always have that little moment of panic. Has it worked? Paint it with a little bit of butter. Little crystal salt. A little minion of pepper. And the fresh tomato sauce. And there we have it, the stuffed cabbage with celeriac and carrots, and stuffed with buttered cabbage and fresh tomato sauce.